Hello guys, I'm Rudraksha Kapoor. In this video, I'm going to tell you some settings that you need to keep in your DSLR camera for doing astrophotography. So I have a DSLR EOS 600D camera. I need to actually remove the lens for doing astrophotography, as I have a 130 EQ Astromaster 130 EQ telescope. So I cannot really attach the lens with it. So I will be using a T-ring and a T-adapter. So I'm going to also give you the link in the description of both of those lenses, which I attach it to my DSLR camera. Also, I'm going to tell you the settings and how it works. So let's get started with it. So as you guys can see, this is my camera. This is the lens. Using the lens, I'm going to actually show you some examples. I'm going to change the setting and I'm going to show you examples of how the image comes. This is my bar lens. This is my T-ring. T2 EOS bar lens. This bar lens is from Celestron, so you can actually find it easily on Amazon. But for your convenience, I will actually even give a link in description for both of these devices. I'm going to also tell you how to connect it, the bar lens and the ring. But first, I'm just going to tell you about the settings. So let me just quickly connect this to my camera. As you can see, I have connected the lens. So let's get started with the settings. Yeah. So here I will just turn it on. It's turned on. Okay. So here you can see my settings are: the aperture is at 1, the ISO is at 6400. It was actually at 200, but it is 6400. I don't know how. And sorry, this is raw. Okay. So the video image size and quality should be at raw. It is mostly at low, but just a second, it is not focusing. Yeah, so it is mostly at low. You have to keep it at raw, or else you won't be able to edit the image. You will not get the whole quality of it. It will decrease the quality and the size will be less. So raw is best. So I'm just going to take a picture with these settings. Oh, by the way. You can see it's too bright. As you can see, it's too bright. Now let's decrease the just a second. Now let's decrease its yeah. 200. Okay, it is now decreased. Let me just increase this. Actually, no, let's just keep it to what it was. Wait, let's keep it to 1 only. That's it. I'm going to also just once do this single shooting. So as you can see, you can actually see the two objects in this image. Wait, yeah. Now what we will do is we will decrease the aperture. Let's decrease it to maximum. No, not maximum, that will be too much. I'm sorry. Okay, talking about not aperture, sorry, this is shutter speed. Okay, the aperture is wait, yeah, let's keep it at 115. Okay, I just want to tell you that when you will be using the tearing and the Barlow lens, you need to remove the lens so the aperture will be 0. So you don't really have to set anything for that. Okay, so let's just, yeah, start the setting. I'll do this, take this into view. As you can see, the image is crystal clear now. Now, as you guys might have understood some things, so the more you like increase the shutter speed, the more brightness will increase. The more you will increase the ISO, the more brightness will increase. The more you decrease ISO, the more it will like darken, and the more you increase like the shutter speed, the more it will be like better. So it will like be less, it will show less light. So now I will just set it back to what it was. I was taking some pictures of Mars. I might as well show you those pictures. So let's go. Yeah, so you might be able to see Mars. Let me focus it. That's Mars right there. There are many pictures that I took. I even took some pictures of Sirius. It might not be clear that much in the mobile, the device from which I am recording, but it is crystal clear. I can even see some stars. I will actually just zoom it. Fine. Try to find a star or two. Yeah, I just actually got one, but it is too like, it is too faint to show you, and the mobile won't really capture. Oh yeah, you guys just saw one. Yeah, those two are stars. Those two are one stars that I captured. So there are many like these in the picture, but I might not be able to show you all of them obviously. So I will now just tell you how to connect the T-ring and the Barlow lens. You press on this just. Okay, like that. I need to quickly you should never actually let dust go in the lens. It is not good. I will actually even turn this off. It's off now. Here's my camera. I will just put this on its lens, and there's the other one right there. Yeah. Okay, so it's easy. I just wait. Actually first I will actually connect this here. So I open this quickly, and quickly I replace it with this. Simple, nothing much complicated in it. It's very simple. It's very simple to use. I took some beautiful shots yesterday. I'm going to take some beautiful shots today also. I'm also going to make a video presentation of Mars, Orion Nebula, even the moon, and I will also try Saturn. It is not actually available at this time. I mean, it's not really on the sky. I have to like wake up at 5 to take the pictures of moon. 5:50 Saturn and Jupiter come. So here it is. I hope you guys might have understood the concept of the the shutter speed and the ISO. It's just simple. The more you increase the ISO, the more brightness increases. The more you decrease the decrease the shutter speed, the more the brightness increases. The more you increase ISO, the more you decrease ISO, the more it becomes darker. Same with the like opposite case with the shutter speed. The more you increase, the darker it becomes. So you need to actually do hit and trial, because you cannot really get the perfect one in one try. You have to try different ones. And I will actually even want to suggest you guys that when you open this, you go to this, there is a Q button here, you press on this. I might actually just focus it, yeah. So there is this, okay. You like select this and choose a 10-second timer, or even if you want a self timer continuous shooting, that will be also good. It will wait for 10 seconds and then it will shoot the amount of images I wanted to shoot. So that's a very good way of taking pictures for if I want to stack Mars or any other type of deep space object or planetary object. So I will just actually even set it once. I like it in the 10-second one, so that when I like press here, with which it starts to take pictures, it waits 10 seconds so that the camera becomes stable. I just like to do the 10-second one. You can even increase the timer if you want to, going into the setting. And remember, the video format has to be in RAW, or else the hidden stars that you cannot see from your naked eye might not come in the image. So guys, that's all I wanted to say in this video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you think it was helpful and you want more suggestions of my videos. Thank you for watching.